Anyway, we're back at it. Non-consensual towing. That's what we do. We yank cars. Anyway, I got two right here. I got one sitting right beside me. That one's got to go, and so does that one. We ain't gonna do a lot of running their mouth. We're gonna go ahead and hook. I'm gonna hook this this little Civic first, right off the rip. Just yank it. Say what?
I said, why are you taking this car?
Well, it's not hooked, man. You got the opportunity to move it.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
The property's towing.
why?
Because it's got expired tag. But listen, hey, you're not hooked, so you got the opportunity to move it.
Okay.
Or clarify it with her. The lady that runs the office, we don't ride around and just pick cars.
Yeah.
We tow what they tell us to tow.
Okay.
And this one's on a list. If you get a sticker, you got to communicate with her.
Okay.
But like I said, hey, it's not actually fastened, so by law, you got the opportunity to move it.
Yeah.
I got, hey, there's cars. Let me show you. Hey, there's 3 or 4 over there that just been sitting. She's trying to clean the property up.
Okay, I about to say she's just taking my car for no reason.
Well, no, it's got expired tag. It does got it.
But I can go get my tag renewed. It ain't got nothing to do with her taking my car that's not bothering nobody.
Yeah, it does. They have property tows. They tow. If you got an invalid tag, they can tow it. By law, they can tow it. And hey, code enforcement, you from here? From Atlanta?
Yeah.
Well, you know they tow in Atlanta, man.
I got that car, but I live here, so it's like you just gonna take my car because it got expired tag.
Yeah, they do that. But I understand. But they do that. They can and they do.
Okay.
Have a good one. We're gonna go to the next one. And this car's all over the place. Literally, they're everywhere around here. Hey, good job, man. Hey, what's your name? Tia. Hey, nice to meet y'all, man.
Here.
Have a good one, man. Yeah, y'all be safe. Both these cars are prime examples of vehicles that sit around until the tags go bad. These have been sitting over here for a long time. Anyway, we're signing these out, man. I'm gonna get out of here, man. It's hot as blue blazes outside. I'm sweating to death, man. I got these loaded up. We did have that one guy come out, and he lucked out. He came out just in the nick of time, and he's gonna have the option to talk to that manager, because she won't tow him if he does right. If he calls up here, she'll give him a break. I know she will. Anyway, we're pulling in on the property here. This manager, she's got somebody parking in the grass. Let's see what happens. We got him. Whoever owns this car, pretty sure they're home. Pretty sure they're driving this car every day, but they got yanked. Manager's trying to keep it decent, man. She don't want it to go downhill. That's the last thing you want to do, is let everybody tear the landscaping up. And that's what she's trying to keep from happening. Anyway, that manager, she was very happy that I got the car. She said that whole building that lives at that building there, all the residents that live at that building right there have been parking in the grass, and she said she's threatened lease violations and tried to get everybody to quit parking there, and they won't quit. But towing, it works, guaranteed. She tows enough cars out of there, they'll stop parking there. Guarantee it. Anyway, stay tuned. A lot of people want to see the yard, so I'm going to give you a quick yard update. But we got a bunch of trailers and a bunch of crap that needs to go, and we got a bunch of cars that need to go as well. As you can see, we're at capacity, but this is the problem we have here. Stuff like this comes in, this is straight garbage. In the trailer, it ain't worth much, but we get junk like that comes in, we have to do something with it, you know. But I'm gonna keep walking. I brought that Z71 in a couple weeks, 3 or 4 weeks back. But I believe we got a Challenger right here, man. It's got a 22 on it. Challenger with a 22 tag. I mean, nobody's came and got it or nothing. It's just strange. But it's a nice little car. The window's cracked on it. I wonder what that's about. This must be a stolen car or broke down or something. Get a lot of cars. We do get quite a few from auto shops. Somebody drops a car off at an auto shop and then they don't pay the bill on it and leave it there. Auto shops will call us to come get them. But you can see how packed we are. You can't hardly get a tow truck in here. Right now it's so slam packed. I mean, it's just It's just crazy how many cars we got in here. I'm gonna show y'all a custom car we got back here. We got a real sure enough custom. This is a special one here. I think it's a tracker. Yeah, Geo tracker. Well, somebody's mounted. They mounted a bicycle frame on this car. Escape ghost. Destroy power, not people. Anyway, that's a real special vehicle there. I brought that one in quite a few months ago. It's probably been here 6 months, but I got a video of me impounding that one. Oh, here's another Challenger. Well, these Challenger, this is another nice one. It's got a little bit of a front bumper issue, but this is a decent car. Needs a mirror on it. I wonder if I can see inside now. It's locked. Yeah. Brought this Chevrolet truck in. Got a Chevrolet truck over here I brought in not too long ago, and it's a nice one. I wouldn't mind having this 2500 4x4. Got a little damage in the back, but I can fix that. Needs to be cleaned up real good, but these trucks right here are very, very expensive, man. Even to buy a frame, just a vehicle with no motor, they're hard to buy them. But if that one goes to auction, I might try to get it. But this yard here, this is a straight up private property impound lot. There's not a single police impound on this lot. You don't see many private property impounded companies that have a lot this big, this many cars coming in. There's the Porsche I brought in the other day. I got that one just the other day. Matter of fact, it was on my last video. This Porsche here, project car. Like I said, you don't see that many tow companies that do PPI have this many cars on the lot. And the reason we do is because we've been doing it honestly and diligently for years. We've been dragging cars in here in Atlanta for a lot of years. A lot of people think first thing they think of when they see a tow company is they're a bunch of scammers. You know, it's not what it is. We try to give this job some integrity, man, by doing things right. A lot of tow companies don't. There's a lot of them out there that do. Tow drivers and tow companies have had, you know, bad press. They got bad reputations, but it's not that's not always the case, man. We just adamantly yank cars. That's what we do. I probably brought in 4,000 cars here in 10 years, and that's only a fraction of what's came in. But anyway, I'm gonna roll to the house. I just brought that transport in. We're gonna get on out of here, man. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's what we do, man. We yank cars, man, and cut videos. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.